3-stroke pipe guard, carbon fiber for the 2025 EC300 GasGas, which it looks cool. It's on there. The only thing, it's pretty straightforward. The instructions are step-by-step instructions. It's pretty much a no-brainer. The only thing I noticed that I'd like to do is run the clamp head, keep it on the bottom, just to keep the top of your pipe looking a little bit cleaner. Step 1, you just feed it through the fattier part of the pipe. Just shove that the threaded part of the cable, and then we just see if we get a bite here. That looks like it's right there. Oh, yep, I got it. I'm not gonna leave it. There we go. That's really it right there. Could cut off this extra. I think that's a good spot for it. It really doesn't rub. There's still plenty of room between the clamp bolt and the water pump. It's just clean. You don't have the bolt head sitting right there, or whatever, personal preference. So let's go around to the front. Okay, now on the front of the head, there are no slits to feed this through. It just goes right over it. So, and then again, it's just kind of personal preference. I think how you want to set this, where you want the bolt to be.
Drop that.
On this one, you are going to see the threads here, but it still will have a clean, tight, neat. One less thing to catch the shrubs and bushes on. This is inside. And before it is completely snugged down, before you remove any excess, you know, just give it a feel. Make sure it's fitting on there. Seated, you know, snugly, the way it's meant to hold it because of film. And then once that's done, you could go ahead and snug it up if you're happy with the bolt. So just tighten these down, cut off the excess. You don't want to over tight to actually start crushing the guard, so, but it's snug. Keep an eye on that as you're riding with your 8mm socket. Cut that off. Here it's a nice smooth finish. Looks clean up against the pipe. Let's check the other side. Here on the other side, it looks good on the top. Right here on the, I mean, you don't want to over tighten these. Gotta cut this off down here. But I mean, the pipe's getting smaller as we go towards the exhaust, and so you see your pants or your boots are going to be, there's a little gap in there. So, but we're good to go. There's plenty of room in here between your water pump, so I don't think that'll be an issue.